Hello my friends, and welcome to this video about pulsed electromagnetic fields, also known as PEMF. If you are someone who's dealing with any type of health condition, especially one that involves pain, this video is going to be for you. Now I'd like to spend a few minutes talking about PEMF, something I think you should be aware of for two reasons. First, because it's likely to relate to what you're experiencing, not so much the cause of it. Second, the possibility that it can help you recover or improve your condition if you use it correctly. Now before we dive into the topic, let's start with some basics. Every life form that was born on this planet and came into existence on planet Earth was immediately exposed to Earth's magnetic field. That's why the magnetic compass works when you're on Earth. All of the cells, tissues, and organs in your body have a myriad of functions that rely on tiny electrical charges in order for them to carry out their critical functions. Now, these electric charges need to be in motion, generating small electromagnetic fields. Think of an electrical generator that works by spinning wire coils with a magnetic field. This generates tiny electric charges that manifest and form a flow of electricity. Your body works in a similar way. For example, your heart is an organ that works by electrical currents that contract the various chambers in the proper sequence so that they can pump blood. Now, if we took the heart out of your body, it could still work because of those electric signals. Your nerves also work by a flow of tiny charges and even tasks that generate what's called an action potential that eventually gets to the target tissue. Muscle contraction requires the tiny flow of charged particles such as sodium, potassium, and calcium in order to work. And your immune system also relies on tiny electrical charges. Numerous processes occur when your body fights an invasive microorganism. You've got the mobilization of cells, lymphocytes, monocytes. They communicate with each other via chemical signals that involve these tiny little charges. Wound healing also involves a number of these things that happen. Inflammation occurs, which involve the appearance and assembly of various factors that are involved in blood clotting and tissue repair. Cells migrate to the area of injury. Monocytes phagocytose debris, and fibroblasts secrete collagen. All of these processes require the movement of tiny electrical charges for them to occur. Now we're living in a modern world, and we've got electronics all around us: laptops, cell phones, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and so forth. Now, I'm not saying to be scared of this or that it causes things like cancer or disease, but doesn't it make sense that if you have tiny electrical charges in your body that your body systems rely on to work properly, the tiny magnetic fields that are produced and mimic the external electromagnetic fields that passes through your body can influence these processes? That's where PEMF comes in. Pulse electromagnetic frequency, or PEMF, is the purposeful generation of electromagnetic fields, and there's a lot of research that has been done that shows the efficacy and effectiveness of using PEMF on a variety of health conditions. And you don't have to take my word for it. Go to Google and search for PubMed. This is the website open to the public where you can look through the various research studies that have been done on PEMF. Just do a search for it and a number of studies are going to pop up showing the definitive health benefits of using this technology. As I mentioned earlier, there's a lot of research that shows the efficacy and effectiveness of using PEMF for a variety of health conditions. Let's take a closer look at some of the benefits of PEMF. One of the most common uses of PEMF is for pain relief. Studies have shown that PEMF can be effective in reducing pain, particularly in cases of chronic pain. This is because PEMF helps to increase blood flow to the affected area, which can help to reduce inflammation and promote healing. PEMF can also be used to improve sleep, and it has been shown to help regulate the production of certain hormones, such as melatonin, which is important for sleep. By using PEMF to regulate these hormones, people have experienced improved sleep quality and duration. Another benefit of PEMF is its ability to promote bone healing. Studies have shown that PEMF can help to increase bone density and promote bone growth, which can be particularly helpful for people with osteoporosis or other bone-related conditions. PEMF can also be beneficial to people with depression and anxiety. Research has shown that PEMF can help to regulate the production of certain neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine, which are important for mood regulation. By regulating these neurotransmitters, PEMF can help to alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. Additionally, PEMF has been shown to have massively positive effects on the immune system, and it can help to stimulate the production of certain immune cells, such as T cells and B cells, which can help to fight off infections and other illnesses. Overall, PEMF is a non-invasive and safe treatment option that has been shown to have a variety of health benefits. And if you're experiencing any type of health condition, particularly one that involves pain or inflammation, PEMF might be worth considering as a complementary therapy. Now, it's important to speak with your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment.